Located on the western edge of Sundarbans, Henry's Island is developing into West Bengal's favorite beach resort very fast. You can book your stay here from the official website of West Bengal Fisheries Development Corporation. This place was named after a British surveyor who surveyed this area about centuries ago. This island is a home to millions of red crabs, mangroves, and widely spread shallow lakes dedicated to pisciculture. This watchtower offers a panoramic view of this whole place. During 1980s, the West Bengal Fisheries Department took the initiative of turning Henry's Island into a tourist spot. Exactly 100 years ago, Lieutenant Governor of Bengal Andrew Fraser fell in love with a sea beach at one end of the Sundarbans, and after his name, this place is called as Frasergunj. This fishing harbour at Fraserganj is operated by Benfish, and you can get a motorized boat, or locally called as bhootbuti, from here to visit the Jambu Island. It is specifically famous for mangroves. But you cannot get off there, you have to just watch the place from boat.